So hey everybody, this is me Raman Karthik. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please go and subscribe and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get more updates. So in this video, we are going to see about 8 historic events that Nostradamus may have predicted in his prophecies. So Michael de Nostradamus is also known as Nostradamus, is a French uh, apothecary, but this reputation of being seer of the future uh, preceded everything. He lived and died in 16th century, but his prophecies are what have gained him posthumous fame. Although many claim that his quatrains are loosely or misinterpreted, and the fact that predicting the future seems illogical, will always be something his prophecies will have to stand up against. However, there are many people around the world who like to believe that things he predicted in his lifetime have panned out pretty accurately. It does not mean the prophecies he wrote with the ink and quill under a candlelight in the 16th century have actually materialized, but some of those are yearly close to what happened. So, here is some 8 things. So, the first one is the Great London Fire. The fire started out in a bakery, Pudding Lane, in London in September 1666. It took 3 whole days to put out. It is said that the total of 70,000 homes of the then 80,000 residents were destroyed. So I have given the picture also, which he quoted. And the next one is the rise of Hitler. Adolf Hitler was born in Austria, which falls under Western Europe. His family was very poor. It is known that he was a brilliant orator. He used his speeches as a catalyst to rally his troops. The Nazi army was built on Hitler's intense words. As for the realm of East part, that can be connected to the involvement of Japan in the war. And there is also another painting that indicates Hitler will be one of the greatest dictators, and that painting was painted much before his birth. And the next thing is the Second World War. The first thing that people notice about the prediction is the word Hister. Many claim that it is a typo and was meant to be Hitler. Let's be clear that such is not the case. Hitler is a Latin and Latin for the Danube river. Hitler was born not very far from there, as the river was once included in Austria-Hungary. The beast here can be the Axis, who fought the Allies in the World War II. The part about Germany can be connected to the Nazis and Hitler's homeland. And the next is Louis Pasteur's discovery. Louis Pasteur is famously known for pasteurization. He has also discovered the vaccines for rabies and anthrax. His his study in microbiology helped create many more methods of reducing mortality caused by diseases. He was revered when he lived in 19th century and even later on. But in late 1990s, documents that he had asked his descendants to keep safe and hidden were published. Based on his this few scientists claim his finding to be misleading and his discoveries to be deceptive. And the next one is 9/11 attack. So before you point out that date mentioned in the prediction does not match the 9/11 attacks, you should know the Nostradamus also wrote this. Should I, however, have made any errors in my calculation of dates or prove unable to please everybody, I beg that you, more than imperial majesty, will forgive me. It is said that he may have miscalculated. This can also be attributed to the fact that in his time they followed Julian calendar, not the Gregorian calendar. Post the attack, Osama bin Laden was announced as the most wanted terrorist in the world. History says that Mongols were exposed to many ethnicities and religions, with Islam being one of them, although wrongly. So bin Laden claimed that he did it in the name of religion. Mars is the planet of war, and since the 9/11 attacks, humanity has been at war and with terrorism, even more so, a threat that hasn't died till now. And the next one is the assassins of the Kennedy brothers. In their time, the Kennedy family was considered great. John F. Kennedy was president of USA and his brother Robert Kennedy, a senator. On the afternoon of 22nd November 1963, JFK was assassinated while traveling in his car. 5 years later, in June of 1968, right after midnight, Robert was also assassinated. In 1963, there were student riots held in London, Paris, and Reims, and in between the death of the two brothers, there was a huge flood in Florence in 1966. It was the worst in over 300 years, and it left over 100 people dead. And the next one is French Revolution. Um, the French Revolution was a turning point in the history of the country. It lasted about a decade and marked the end of monarchy in the country. Old political ideologies were abolished in the face of new radical ones. The France became a republic but faced political turmoil and was also under the dictatorship of Napoleon for some time. And the last one is the death of King Henry II. In 1559, King Henry II of France had a joust with Gabriel Montgomery as a celebration of his daughter's wedding and the peace treaty with the Habsburgs of Austria. Gabriel was 6 years younger to him. Both men had lions embossed on their shields. During the combat, Montgomery's lance went through the king's visor. Two shards of splinters wounded the king. On entering his eye, and the other was lodged in his head. He suffered for almost 10 days before succumbing to septicemia, and he died. So that's it about the Nostradamus prediction. Hope you like it. If you need more some stories like this, please do comment me down below. And if you want something else to be talked in this channel, please do let us know. And thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.